Under construction, beautiful Cherbourg Floor Plan, over 2,100 square feet with finished bonus room. Master suite and 4th bedroom or office on the main level with 2 full baths. Finished bonus plus bedrooms 2 and 3 upstairs with 1 full bath. Kitchen and baths have granite and master bath has tiled shower. Kitchen and dining area are open to the great room with fireplace. Hardwoods in living area downstairs, carpet in bedrooms and upstairs, tile in all baths. Lawn maintenance is included in HOA fees along with clubhouse and pool. Buyer to verify square footage. Dues of $95 per month billed annually in January with balance due in March.